Assalamu alaikum, grade 1. Take out your the science vector book and open your page number 46. Today we are starting unit 7, water, weather and wind. Three very important things on earth start with the letter W. They are water, weather and wind. Here we study uses of water. Humans use water for many different things. Humans use water for drinking. Humans use water to wash themselves. They also use water to wash clothes and cooking items. Now look at your page number 47. Humans use water as transport. They travel short distances with the help of ship, and they travel long distances on water with the help of cargo. Humans even you have fun on water. So did you know that inside your body is a lot of water? About 70% of the human body is made up of water. Complete the sentences. We use water to take bath. We use water to drink. We use water to wash clothes. We use water to cook food. Now look at your page number 48. Weather. Humans have to live with all types of weather. There are some things that are fun to do when it is hot. In summers, people do swimming. There are some things that are fun to do when it is cold, like skating. There are some things that are fun to do when it is windy, like flying kites. There are some things that are fun to do when it is raining. Look at these girls. They are enjoying. The weatherman. The weatherman can tell today what the weather will be like the next day. He used different tools to help him do this. The weatherman tell us about weather with the help of different tools. Now look at your page number 50. Wind. Wind is moving air. It is there but we don't see it. Where is the wind? It is there but we don't see it. Wind help humans in many ways. It keeps us cool. It dries our clothes. It helps our kites to fly. With the help of wind, we can fly our kites. Did you know if the wind is very strong, it can pull trees out of the ground? So here we have an activity we will do in the classroom. Okay, now your homework is read this chapter. Now take care. Allah Hafiz.